Oh, shoot.
Okay, so today we're gonna get started with, we're gonna continue working on some two-step equations. So Joshua, can you give me the first five on the even numbers?
-2 equals -2m plus 12. 27 equals 21 minus 3x. -4 minus b equals 8. Equals 8. -2 plus x over 2 equals 4. -5 equals a over 4 minus 1.
Alright, so the first one we have -2 equals -2m plus 12. Alright, so we're gonna subtract 12 first to get the variable of So we subtract 12 from both sides. So this is going to be -14 equals -2m. Then we divide by -2. That leaves us with +7 equals m. Alright, so we plug that into our original equation, we get -2 equals -2 times 7 plus 12. So -2 equals -14 plus 12. So -2 equals -2. So this is correct. Alright. We have 27 equals 21 minus 3x. So we're going to subtract 21. And this is going to be 6 equals -3x. Remember to keep your signs. Don't get rid of those. Make sure you're carrying those with the number, the term or the variable that it's with. The variable or the term that it's with. Alright, so 6 equals -3x, and then divide by -3. It's going to be -2 equals x. So then we plug it in. That gives us 27 equals 21 minus 3 times -2. So 27 equals 21. -3 times -2 is +6. So 27 equals 27. So this is correct. Alright, so now we have -4 minus b equals 8. So we're going to do +4 and +4. So that leaves us with -b equals 12. Then we divide by -1. Remember, anytime the variable's by itself, it's like a 1 being in front. So if it's -b, that's like -1b. So we divide by -1. And then that's gonna leave us with B equals negative 12. So if we plug it in, we have negative 4 minus negative 12 equals 8, which is negative 4 plus 12 equals 8. We can rewrite that as 12 minus 4, which is 8. So 8 equals 8. So this is correct. Now if we had negative 4 plus B equals 8. Well, never mind. Okay. Alright, make sure y'all do these. We haven't done any ones with fractions. It's the same as what we did before with fractions, but just with two-step equations. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to add 2 first to both sides. So this is going to be 4 over 5 plus 2 over 1. So we multiply by 5 to get the least common denominator. So that's going to be 4 over 5 plus 10 over 5. And then 10 plus 4 is 14, so 14 over 5. So that's going to leave us with x divided by 1/2 equals 14 over 5. And multiply by 1 on this side. Alright, so then we multiply by 1/2 to get rid of the division. And just multiply across, so x equals 14 over 10, which reduces by 2 to be 7 over 5. So x equals 7 over 5. Alright, so if we plug that in, we get negative 2 plus 7 over 5 divided by 1/2 equals 4 over 5. And so if we do 7 over 5 divided by 1/2, 7 over 5 divided by 1/2, so we do 7 over 5 times 2 over 1, which is 14 over 5. So that's negative 2 plus 14 over 5. So then we do negative 2 over 1 plus 14 over 5. Multiply by 5 to get the least common denominator. Multiply by 1 on this side. And that gives us negative 10 over 5 plus 14 over 5. Oh. And negative 10 plus 14 is equal to 4 over 5. And so we got that answer same as here. So this is correct. Alright, we have negative 5. We have negative 5 equals a over 4 minus 2 over 3. So we're going to add, let me do it like that. Alright, so we're going to add 2/3 to both sides. So negative 5 over 1 plus 2/3. Least common denominator is going to be 3. So multiply by 3 times 1. That's going to be negative 15 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Negative 15 plus 2 is negative 13. So that's negative 13 over 3. So we have negative 13 over 3 equals A over 4. So then we multiply by 4 to get rid of division. 4 times 13 is going to be, 4 times negative 13 is going to be negative 52. So it's negative 52 over 3 because 4 over 1, so 3 times 1 is 3, equals 8. Alright, so we're going to plug that in. So we're going to have negative 52 over 3 divided by 4 minus 2 over 3 equals negative 5. Alright, so negative 52 over 3 divided by 4. So that's going to be negative 52 over 3 times 1/4 because we took the reciprocal of 4. And so negative 52 times 1 is negative 52. 4 times 3 is 12. We can reduce that by 2. And we get negative 26 over 6. Reduce by 2 again. And we get negative 13 over 3. So that leaves us with negative 13 over 3 minus 2/3 equals negative 5. Negative 13 minus 2 is negative 15. So that's negative 15 over 3 equals negative 5. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Negative 5 equals negative 5. So our A equals negative 52 over 3 is correct. What are you doing now? Alright, we're going to do a couple more, and then we're going to move on to something else. You need 3 numbers.
7. 4. 3.
Need 3 more. 2 more.
5.
3 more.
9. 2.
Alright, so we have negative 7b plus 4 equals 3.
You paranoid now.
Alright, so we're going to do minus 4 on both sides. That leaves us with negative 7b on this side. And 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So then we divide by negative 7. That leaves us with b equals negative 1 over negative 7, which we know negative divided by a negative is a positive. So that's going to be b equals positive 1 over 7. So if we plug that in, we have negative 7 times positive 1 over 7 plus 4 equals 3. So negative 7 times 1 over 7, we multiply across. Negative 7 times 1, negative 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4. This is going to be negative 1. Negative 7 divided by positive 7 is negative 1. So negative 1 plus 4 equals 3. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. So 3 equals 3. So this was correct. Hey, Joshua, want to do this one? Come on, Joshua. Come on.
What I have to explain?
Just say what you're doing, but you don't have to explain why you're doing it.
gonna go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides. And negative 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 7. So negative 9a equals negative 7. So you go ahead and divide negative 9 on both sides. And negative 7 divided by negative 9. Isn't that 7 ninths? Alright, so A equals 7 ninths. You can go ahead and check see if that's correct by doing 5 minus 9 times 7 ninths equals 2. So negative 2. So you go ahead and multiply 9 and 7 ninths, which is going to equal 63 over 9, which is the same as 7. So
Okay, no, write that out. You can show the math steps. That is 9 times 7 over 9 is 7.
So if you go ahead and simplify that, or negative or 63 over 9, it's equal
It's
to
negative 63 over 9.
oh yeah, negative 63 over 9, and it's equal to negative 7. So it'll be 5 minus 7 equals negative 2. And you could go ahead and chase it around or keep it, which I'm going to keep it. And if you go down 7 from 5 on the number line, then you'll get negative 2. So this equation is true.